Are you tired of trying everything to make money online and still coming up empty? Frustrated with spending your hard-earned cash on courses, coaches, and programs that promise the world but deliver nothing? You're not alone. So many others face the same struggle. But here's the good news. If you're looking for a proven way to start earning online without breaking the bank, I've got a solution for you. And it just costs a few dollars a month. Interested? Then stay tuned.
At the Automated Success Group, we turn dreams into thriving success stories. From setup to scaling, we handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on growth. Your journey starts here.
Welcome to the future of online digital marketing, a world where each click is a step towards new opportunities. I'm Robert Johnson, the visionary behind the Automated Success Group, ready to guide you through the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. In today's fast-paced, digitally driven world, standing still means falling behind. That's why at the Automated Success Group, we don't just deliver courses. We present a launch pad where opportunities are not just discussed, but are brought to life. For a small investment of just $7 per month, you are not just accessing a business opportunity, you're opening the door to a world of untapped earning potential. Imagine turning that modest investment into a powerful income stream that works around the clock even while you sleep. The story of my journey from being an Uber driver to living a life of financial freedom in Thailand powerfully demonstrates what our platform can achieve. The luxury homes I maintain in the US and the vacation home I just completed in Thailand, along with the incredible vacations I am able to enjoy with my family, serve as living proof of the endless possibilities that our platform can unlock with the right guidance and tools. And now, I'm here to help you achieve the same level of success. This journey isn't just about me, it's about you. Imagine earning 100% of the profits from selling high-demand courses, all without lifting a finger to build the system. With our ultimate passive income funnels, that dream becomes a reality. The online e-learning market is booming, and there's never been a better time to dive in. In 2023 alone, the global e-learning market soared to over $300 billion, and it's only getting bigger. Experts project that by 2028, this industry will expand by 8% annually, reaching an astonishing $670 billion. Our fully done-for-you marketing funnel software is your key to tapping into this explosive growth. It's as easy as plug and play. No technical skills required, no complicated setup, just pure, straightforward results. Now, let me briefly explain how our fully done-for-you marketing software works. You will import your sales funnel into the software with just one click. The funnels are already embedded with your ID to ensure you receive commissions from any purchases made. Next, you will connect your traffic sources, which are already seamlessly integrated with our software. These traffic sources will drive eager buyers who are actively seeking your courses, to the website capture pages built into your sales funnel. The software will automatically collect the email addresses of these interested buyers and then redirect them to sales pages within your funnel. These pages will do all of the selling for you. For those who don't purchase right away, your automated sales funnel will follow up with expertly crafted emails designed to close the sale on your behalf. When buyers are ready, they'll be redirected to an order form where the payment is collected and sent straight to your bank account. And here is where it gets even more interesting. Your website visitors won't just turn into buyers, they'll become recurring income streams. They'll have the opportunity to purchase the same system and they'll be buying it from you. This means you will earn recurring commissions when they use this software, and you will earn even more, up to 60% on any additional purchases they make, including traffic purchases. Now, do I have your attention yet? Imagine this. Every 30 days, we will deliver a professionally built sales funnel ready to start converting visitors into buyers. Or for those who want to fast track their success, you can upgrade to our gold package and access all 18 funnels at once. These aren't just any funnels, they're expertly crafted to deliver results immediately. But what's success without support? That's why we offer access to a team of knowledgeable coaches who are just an email or phone call away. Whether you're brand new to the industry or are a seasoned marketer, our system is designed to guide you through each step, helping you connect with hungry buyers who are actively looking for what you have to offer. Our vision goes far beyond achieving online success. My commitment to supporting underfunded hospitals, homeless shelters, and schools in Thailand reflects the deeper values at the heart of our mission. For us, true success isn't just about financial gains. It's about making a meaningful impact in the lives of those who need it the most, our children. I believe that's a purpose we all can stand behind. Now, if all of this sounds good, click on one of the instant access buttons on my page and take advantage of our ultimate passive income funnels and elevate your lifestyle to unimaginable heights and start craving the lifestyle you always dreamed of. Wouldn't it be nice to say goodbye to the endless search for online experts and so-called done-for-you systems that just drain your wallet and deliver nothing? The solution to your problems is just a click away. Just think about this. You could be running your own successful online business without the need to worry about all the normal headaches and technical challenges most online startups face, such as building out complicated websites and sales funnels, or trying to figure out copywriting for your emails or video sales strips, or even producing those videos, and have to deal with the ongoing challenges of navigating between multiple social media channels such as YouTube, Facebook, and the list goes on and on and on. We here at the Automated Success Group have a track record of success stories and have been featured on multiple news networks. And we're sure we can help you too. So, if you're ready to take your online business to the next level and make your first profits, click on the instant access buttons on my page, because you are definitely in the right place at the right time. To say my life has completely changed would be an understatement, and that is why I am so excited to share with you the very same system that changed my life forever. And when you click on one of the instant access buttons on this page, you will unlock the same opportunities that led to my success online. So, don't wait. Click on the instant access button now, and I'll see you on the inside.